Hello everybody, today let's see how to make Kerala style of masala tea. In a mortar and pestle, add ½ inch of ginger, half cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, 2 peppercorn. You can add up to 4 peppercorns. I am just adding 2 for less strength. Grind them well and nice in a mortar and pestle. Make sure while grinding not to make the paste out of it. Grind such that the juice leaves the ginger. Here the cardamom is just peeled but not powdered. This is because we just need the flavor of these spices. Now take a tea pan or saucepan. Pour about 1 cup of water. Add all the spices along with the ginger crushed and bring it to a boil. Alright, the water has now come to a boil. The spices have been boiling in the water for 1 minute and the aroma of the spices have spread. Add about 1½ teaspoon of tea powder. I am using a strong tea powder. Please do check the strength of your tea leaves or tea powder. If you are new in making tea, here I am adding 1½ teaspoon of tea powder for a medium strength. Stir the tea that is brewing and allow it to boil for 5 to 10 seconds. Add about 1½ cup of milk for medium strength tea. Bring it to a boil. Alright, it has now come to a boil. We will reduce the flame and boil a little more for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar or as per your sweet requirement. Allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Now let's switch off the flame. Strain the tea in a teapot. Hot masala tea is now ready to be served. Serve it with cookies or biscuits. Well friends, I hope you like this authentic Kerala chaya and you will try it out. Please do subscribe to Veena's Kitchen for more videos. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.